everyone, welcome back to Trailhead Ranger NJ. And today we will be doing this project, that is customize a Salesforce object. So in this project we will be learning that what is a standard and custom object in very brief, and then how to create standard or how to work with standard fields, custom field, create a pick list and field dependency, then lookup filter, formula fields. So we will talk all about that. So let's get started with our first unit, that is work with standard and custom fields. So in this first we are creating profile. Let's see what's its challenge holds. So we will be needing to do all this. Let's launch our Trailhead playground first. Then we will be going to setup and then enter profile and then select standard user profile and clone it with the name of sales user. So let's go back to setup quickly, then I'll search for profiles. I'll click on S to find the standard user. I'll click on clone button, then I'll give the profile name as sales user and then save it. Then I need to clone another same profile and then need to give it as support user. I'll save it again. It is saved. Now we need to go to the we need to change the label of rating field to prospect rating. We will go to the rename tabs and then selecting the okay, we'll search for rename tabs and label. We will go to next to accounts and then we will go to next. You can see that rating field is here. We'll copy paste name from here, rating to prospect rating in singular column. Okay, we will save it. Now we have that we need to add help text to the field and add a new value to the pick list field, that is rating, and we need to update its field level security as well. So we will go to the object manager, then to account, then to field and relationship, and then open our that rating field, that is prospect rating. You can see that its label is updated from rating to prospect rating. Now we will click on this. Now what help text we need to give, this we will copy it from here. I'll edit this field. You can see that there is text block, that is help text. We will paste it over here and we will save it. Then we need to add new value, that is not known. We'll copy it again from here and you can see that what other values are here: hot, warm, cold. We'll click on new and paste it here, then save. And from here you can reorder these pick list values or replace any one value to another, or you can deactivate as well. Then it will be present here but it will not be activating the org. Now we need to update the field level security. What we want to do is we need to make it read only field for the sales user. So we will click on this set field level security. Then we will check our sales user profile here and we'll click on read only. So it will be read only field for sales user profile, but for other profiles, as visible checkbox is clicked, so it will be read and editable field. So it is saved. Now we will go back. Now what we need to do is we need to create a new field, that is checkbox field, which is having label as has support plan. I'll copy this and it should be editable by sales and support users only. Okay, so we'll go to the object manager, account, fields, new. Okay, has support. We'll copy the description and help text from here. We'll select the data type as checkbox, then next. We'll give field label as this and then default value as unchecked. We'll copy the description from here and help text from here. We'll go to next. So if you remember, we just now edited field level security for prospect rating field, that is rating field. So now our requirement is to make it editable for uh, sales and support user only. So I'll click this checkbox and then unchecked it. For all the other profile, I'll go to sales user visible and support user this, and it should be read only for all profiles. Okay, I'll need to redo it. I'll click on support user and then sales user. I'll do this again. Okay, so it needs to be done manually. Okay. One second, I can do this. All read only. Okay, so what we will do, we will just click on sales user visible and support user visible. As we don't have any requirement for other profiles, so we won't do that. We'll click on next and add it to all the layouts. I hope it is not mentioned to which layout. We'll save this. Now we'll go back and we need to create a support expiration date field which should be editable by all the sales and support user, and field name label is this. We'll go again new, then click on date, data type, we'll click on next, field label, we'll copy paste the description from here, then again help text, click on next and okay. So we'll click on next, and then what we will do, we'll click on read only and then uncheck the box for this. So we did wrong for this, just has support plan field level security. So I'll redo it. I'll click on this and then click on read only and then uncheck the support and sales user. So let's save it, and now it's time to verify our step. So that's how we have completed our first challenge. Let's move on to the next. Next is create pick list and field dependency. So first let's check challenge. We need to redo all the things mentioned in the unit. Okay, so first what we are doing, that we are going to search pick list value sets in the setup, and then we are creating this. Okay, so let's go to setup, pick list value sets. We'll click on new global value set. So what is the difference between the fields which we are creating, pick list field which we are creating in a particular object, and the pick list value set which we are creating now? So this pick list value set is global. It will be available for all the user or everywhere in this org, but the particular pick list field is available only for the particular object under which we have created it. So we'll give its name as region, and then we'll copy paste the description, we'll copy paste the values, and yes, you can enter multiple values at a time just by putting it in a separate lines, or you can separate it by giving it a comma as well, by providing comma in between them. So we'll save it, You see that it converted into each and different values. Now we'll go to the lead object, and then we need to create a new field, that is region. Okay, so we'll go to the object manager, search for lead object, go to field and relationships, then new, then pick list field will select, and next. So you can see the global pick list value set we can use here. So we will give its name as region, and it is giving us option of which global pick list value set we can use or we should use. So only one global pick list value set we have for now, so we'll select this. And now what's the other requirement? We need this description and this text. Then we need to make it editable for sales user only. We'll go next, then read only, and for sales user we will select this, then next, save. Okay, so again we did this wrong. If you notice, we'll click on this again. So I was correct earlier. If we want to make a field editable, only the visible checkbox for a particular field should be selected. So we deselect this and selected the visible. So if you notice here, select the checkbox in the column header, so all the profile will be selected, then deselected from the read only column. So visible visible checkbox will be selected for that particular profile. So we will save this, and then we need to do the same for account object. So we'll go to account, field, new, pick list, region, next. I am not giving description and help text. I hope it should not create any problem for me. So I next, save and new. So now another field we need to create is custom pick list field, that is zone, and it should be editable by sales user only. So we will select pick list again, then give zone, enter values. As we have not created any global value set, so I will copy all these values, and then I'll give its description and help text. And then we need to do the same for its field level security, that it should be editable by sales user only. So yes, I will go and save this. Now we need to work upon field dependency. So I'll go to field relationship, and here you can see field dependency. So I'll click on this. Currently we don't have any dependent field, so we will create new one, and the zone field will be dependent on the region field. So how it will work, we will create new field, controlling field will be region, sorry, yes, and dependent field will be zone. So once region field is selected, then only zone options will be available based on whatever field values we will be providing. Suppose if for in reference to India I will say, so if I'm giving in region as Asia Pacific, and zone is having uh, Japan, India, and multiple. But for EMEA, we have US. So if I'm selecting EMEA, then only US will be available. Otherwise in zone there we won't be having any option to select zone. Zone field will be in read only mode at that time with no value. So we'll continue this, and now we have option to include fields in each region. So for APAC we can give East Asia, Oceania and Southeast Asia. So we will select this. Then we have Africa, Europe, Middle East, UK plus Ireland. Okay, I'll click on include values. Then Africa, Europe, Middle East, UK plus Ireland include. Then for Latin we do have Mexico, Caribbean, Central America and South America. We'll click on this. Then for US we do have Midwest, Midwest US, Northeast, Southeast, this, and yes, include. Then for last we have this. Okay, so we will save this, and yes, we had it looking like this only. Now we need to create a field on opportunity, that is close reason, which should be a multiple list field. We will copy its label. You go to the object manager, search for opportunity, go to field, then new, then select multiple list. We'll give the label, and then I'll copy paste this. We'll give number of lines to be visible as 6. Means at once only 6 field values should be visible. For other value to have it seen, to if we wanted to see, then we have to scroll down. So I'm copy pasting the description and help text. Then again we need to make it available only for sales user, that is also in edit. So I'll do the same, sales user read only disabled, then next, and then save. Now we need to create a dependency between the stage field and the close region field, which we have just created now. So for this we will go to field dependency again and create new in opportunity object, and state should be the controlling field and dependent field should be the close region. So we'll click on continue, and okay, so we need to okay, there are 5 pages, so we will, yes, so in closed won and closed loss, what we need to do is we need to select all the won values under closed won and all the lost values under closed lost. So I'll include those, then save it. Yes, so other field did not have any dependent values, so we have completed this unit. So let's check our challenge. We have successfully completed this challenge as well. Let's move on to the next unit. Now we will get started with this third unit, that is create lookup filters. And in this challenge as well, we will have to be completing all these tasks to complete the challenge. So let's go to the object manager. I'll go to setup and then object manager. We need to search for case, and then we need to create a lookup relationship of user to this new field by naming this field as this backup agent. So I'll search for case, then click on field and relationship, click on new, and then I'll select data type as lookup relationship, then click on next, and related to user, I'll go scroll down, select user, then click on next, and then I'll give label as a backup agent. And what's the description? I'll copy paste the description from here, and then help text as well. We need to show the filter setting, and then we will be selecting that user profile name should be equal to support user. Okay, so we'll click here and then here. uh, what's it, user profile name, so user profile and name, it should be equals to value, and value is support user. Let's confirm this once, yes. And then filter type should be required, and in read only we need to make this field read only for support user only. So I'll select all this and then support user, next, save. Now I need to go to the case object again, then field and relationship, and select contact name, then okay. So I'll go to case, field relationships, contact name, which is lookup to contact field. I will edit it and enter the filter settings. I need to edit it as contact names account ID should be equal to case account ID. So I'll go here, edit it, go to the filter setting, contact name account ID equals, let's copy paste it from here. Okay, it should be field case account ID. Let's save it. Okay, let's confirm if required was selected here. I'll click on edit again, yes. So let's cancel it, and now we can verify this step. So we have completed this challenge. Let's move on to the next unit, that is create formula fields. So we need to create a formula field on opportunity name as commission, and its type should be currency. And okay, so first let's go to the object manager, then opportunity, we'll select field and relationship, we'll click on new, then select data type as formula, next, and then field name should be commission, and return type should be currency. Let's see if they have given us any. No, so we'll go next. In merge field we should be selecting amount, and then multiply by, okay, so we'll enter multiply, enter 0.1 over here. So we'll check the syntax and we'll copy paste the description here. Let's check syntax first. So no error, description we have pasted. Let's copy paste the help text as well. Okay, so we'll click on next. and then we need to make this field read only for only support user and system admin. So sorry, sales user and system admin. So I'll deselect this and select sales user. I'll click on next, then save. We need to select commission and then advanced formula tab where we do have commission field here. Okay, we will click on advanced formula. Okay, so we will click here and then select the if function from here. We'll click on insert selected function. We will be checking if is pick list okay in the functions list. Okay, so I'll copy paste this and I'll make you understand what this formula is checking. So it is checking if the stage name field is having closed won pick list value, then the amount should be multiplied by this. That is, this field should return this value, otherwise it should return zero value. Suppose if stage name field is having closed lost value, then it will be returning zero amount, zero commission. But if it is having closed one value, then it will be returning whatever the field amount is having, and it will be multiplying by 0.1 and it will be returning this value to this field, commission field. So we will save this. Let's go back. Okay, so we will customize formula fields now. So we need to go to the opportunity object, create a new field that is region zone, and we will be returning text in that field. So we will select again formula field label is this, then selecting text and next. Now what should be the formula? So we are converting the value in account uh, region field of account object to text, and then adding slash and then account zone. So we'll copy paste this here. Sorry, it has not copied. I'll copy this and paste it over here. Check syntax. Syntax is correct. I'll copy the description and then I'll copy the help text and I will go next. And then what's the requirement? We need to make it read only for sales user and system admin. So I'll go next and then save. Now we need to again make a formula field on opportunity object, that is amount after discount, which would be returning currency value. So I'll go next, new formula field, then label, selecting currency as data type, and what should be the formula? That is amount should be multiplied by 1 minus whatever is the discount percentage field. So I'll go check syntax, does not exist. Okay, so I'll go this insert field. Okay. Discount percentage, we don't have this field in our org, so let's see if we have created this. Okay, so we missed this, we need to create this, so I'll duplicate this tab and I'll create a new percentage field on opportunity object as discount percentage. percent next field label. Now its length should be 3, and again we need to make this field visible only, that is read only for system admin and sales user only. We will click on next, save. Now we will close this, we will check field again. We need to create this field again. I'll click on cancel, then new, then formula. Return type should be its name is amount after discount. Currency, next. Now I'll do this, check syntax, no errors. Now let's have its description and help text. We click on next, and then again there is no requirement to make this field visible for such and such user, so I'll save it as it is, and then let's verify this step. So we have completed this step as well. Let's move on to the next step. We need to create record type, so we will go to the object manager again and then select account. We'll go to the record and we will select master record, and record type label should be customer account. Okay, so I'll go to the record types, we'll click on new, master existing record type, description, let's copy paste, it's active selected, so we will go to next. Okay, we need to go previous step. It is saying we should deselect this. Then let's cancel it again, then next. Yes, we need to make it available only for sales user and system admin again. So we'll go here, select sales user, system admin, select next, apply one layout to all profiles, select pages, account layout. So all profiles it should be, and page layout is account layout. So it will, this page layout record type will be available for all the profiles, and with account layout page. So we will save this. Now for pick list available for editing. So in the industry field we will click on edit. So we need to make consulting and education available, so I'll select this, then remove it from selected values, and we need to save it. So when you will create account record with customer account record type, then in industry field you won't be seeing these two pick list field values, that is consulting and education. So similarly, now we will create another record type, that is partner account. We'll go record type, new. We'll copy paste this, make it active, and we need to make it available partner app subscription, partner community login user, and partner community user. So partner community, this and this. Go to next. Again, we need to make it available on account layout. We'll save this. We need to make so we need to, in the industry pick list value, we need to remove all the field values except consulting and education this time. So that's how. And we will save this. Then we need to go to channel partner, type pick list field, so I'll edit this. And we need to remove prospect, customer direct, and customer channel. We will save this. Now we can verify this step. Let's check. So we have completed this challenge. Let's move on to the next unit, that is customize record pages. So we will go to the app launcher, select sales app, and then account tabs. We will select edge communication account. We will edit the page, and then we will change the page name to customer account page. Okay, so let's do this much first. Sales tab, we will go to the accounts, select all accounts, open edge communications, select edit page. In the page properties, we will change its label. So yes, now we need to click the details page and in the record detail page. Okay, so we will click over here. We do have option to upgrade. We will upgrade it to dynamic. Click on next. And is there any specification? Yes, we need to select only account layout, and then we'll finish this. Yes, and now we need to select field from here, field section, and we will drop it over additional section. And we need to add fields here. First we will name it as sales region, and then we will again add this field section just below this sales region, that is here, and we will name it as support plan action. We need to add the region field and zone field into the sales region section, and has support plan and support plan expiration date into the support plan information section. Okay, so from here I do have region field here. I'll drag it here, zoom here, as support plan expiration date and has support plan, and then we can, okay, we need to move it to the right hand section, these two sections. So I'll this, okay, this is done. In the account information, prospect rating field to required, prospect rating field required, and okay, we will save this. And currently we don't want to make it activate, so we will click on not yet. Now we will customize the related list. We'll go to the setup object manager account, then page layouts, then account layout, contact related list, and okay, so we will go to the contact related list, contact related list. We'll click on this, do not call, we will add it here. We'll click on OK. So this is added here. In the opportunity we want okay, so we want opportunities related list to just above contact related list. Okay, we'll save this. Yes. Now we will activate this stuff. Okay, we'll go to setup, lightning app builder, customer account page, click on edit, click activation, we will assign it to sales app, to desktop, and not record type should be customer account, sales and support user profile. Okay, sales app, next, desktop and phone, record type customer account, profiles, support and sales user, then next, save, and app default be okay, so it's done. We will save this. We will clone this page to partner account page. We go back, we'll clone it and give the name. Okay, then on the details section, so we will be deleting this section, sales region, support region, prospect rating field, and then save, activate. We need to assign it to sales app, then partner account, and same profiles. Sales app, partner account record type should be visible, and then support user and sales user profiles should be able to see this account page layout. Okay, so we have completed this. Let's check. So we have completed this challenge. Now let's move on to the next. We will be enabling account field history tracking. So we will go to the account in object manager, then go to field and relationship, set history tracking, enable. Now for which field we want to enable, has support plan and support plan expiration, has support plan and support plan expiration date. We'll save this. Then we will go to the sales app for accounts, then edit object, page layout. In the related list, we'll drag the account history below the contact related list, and okay, so we will go, we'll do this from here only. We'll go to the page layout, account layout, in the related list, account history. We'll drag it and drop it here. We'll save this, no, and it should be done. Let's check. So we have successfully completed this unit as well. Let's move on to the next, validation rules. So we'll go to the account and we'll be creating new validation rule. That is, rule name is support plan expiration date required. So we are on account, we'll go here, validation rules, select new, rule name is this. Let's copy paste the description, and we'll be copy pasting the error condition rule as well. So what we are checking is, if this field, that is has support plan, is true, and if this support plan expiration date is not blank, then this we should be seeing, if this condition is true, then we should be seeing an error message. That is, if it is true and this is blank, so we'll copy paste the error message that you must enter an expiration date when an account has a support plan. Okay, and where do we want to be visible? On the field. So we'll click on field and select support expiration date field. We'll save this. And now on opportunity, we will be creating new validation rule. So let's select opportunity object, then go to validation rule, then new, copy paste the rule name, and then we'll be copy pasting the description as well. Let's copy paste our formula. It is describing that if picklist field stage name is having close lost value, and if close reason field is blank, then we should be able to see the error message, which is you must enter a close reason when opportunity is closed. And we want it to visible on close reason field, so select the field, save, and let's check our challenge. So that's how we have completed our this module, that is customize a Salesforce object. In this we have got to learn multiple things, that how to create standard custom fields, pick list, field dependencies. Then we created lookup filters, formula fields, record types, record pages, and we enable the account history, field history tracking as well, and added the history related list to the page layout, and then we have created validation rules as well. So I hope you understood all of this, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. And if there is any other challenge or module you want me to cover up, please let me know in the comment section. Stay tuned. Thank you.